Whew, a wizard. I said wizard, didn't I? I meant to say blizzard. Oh, yikes. Look at this, it's just getting worse. Oh man. Look at the snow. Oh, hey car. See ya. Have a safe trip home. Stay safe. Oh. Just look at it. Look at it. Yikes. Okay, so, yikes, I'm sorry it's dark and green, lots of stuff to do, but, yeah, this was a pretty crazy storm. I should get back inside and, get back to Wacky Hat Wednesday. Probably a good idea. So, welcome back to another Wacky Not Quite Hat Wednesday. What a perfect day for all of this. School's closed. There's snow everywhere. Oh, I love it. And you might remember him from the previous video. If not, link on his face right now. Click that link if you haven't seen the video with him. Because even though he's an odd snowman, he's a good snowman. Aren't you? I'm the best snowman that there ever was. Yahoo! Yeah. There you have it. He's pretty good. If you haven't heard of the big blizzard of 2011, it's kind of hit everywhere. Around here we got like 19 inches. Pretty good. I know. Some people, oh, it's shuffling. Oh, I have to do work. No, I have a lot of work, but I'm not going to complain about it. I'm going to enjoy the snow. And the snowman on my head, I'm going to enjoy him too. I don't have a lot of things to say today. Earlier, I was on the streets with a few friends, and we were driving around, and let me tell you, it was pretty fun, I gotta say, with the streets not plowed, and ooh, lots of fun. That's my big exciting story for the day. Normally, my show would open tomorrow. We're doing Our Town. But because of the snow, that has been cancelled. Yeah, so no show tomorrow. Well, Friday, though, most likely. Yeah. And, one other thing. This Friday, I am starting a new theme called Follow Friday. Follow Friday, I will explain it if you don't already know what that would be. It's pretty self-explanatory. You want to do the honors? Yeah? Alright.
Matthew, we'll see you very soon.
See you, YouTube. I smell brownies.